The pressure on our healthcare system is easing as hospitalizations due to COVID-19 are declining.
Alberta Premier Jason Kenney says signs here and across the world suggest the worst of COVID is behind us. The province announcing the vast majority of public health restrictions in Alberta will lift as of Tuesday.
Overall transmission in the province continues to decline, hospitalizations continue to decline, and all of these positive trends continue after schools resumed in classroom learning 6 weeks ago. 3 weeks after, we lifted all restrictions on kids, including masking for kids, and lifted the restriction exemption program on February the 8th.
Phase 2 of easing restrictions will begin at 11:59 on February 28th, which means masks will no longer be mandatory in most settings across the province. There will be no more limits on gatherings or capacities at large venues, also going the mandatory requirement to work from home.
We are moving beyond the current wave of COVID-19. And while we recognize it's been a very difficult 2-year period, we're moving into an endemic phase.
Although many Albertans will be ditching the mask come March 1st, there are still a few places that require you to wear one. Those hoping to go to a hospital or a nursing home or hoping to catch a ride on public transit will be required to mask up.
Health Minister Jason Copping also says isolation is still mandatory for anyone with COVID-19 symptoms or a positive test result until phase 3, but agrees that the numbers are moving in a positive direction. As of Friday, there were 1,295 Albertans in hospital, including 88 in the ICU, with 682 PCR confirmed cases from just over 3,100 tests, a positivity rate of 18.7%. According to this expert, the easing of restrictions may get Alberta businesses one step closer to business as usual.
We'll see a bump in the activity and the number of people that do go out to businesses, whether it's their retail businesses, whether it's restaurants. I know downtown, many of the towers will fill up again. And so we're hoping that businesses will see that bump, and we know many of them are very excited.
In Calgary, Jasmine Vickaryous, City News.